Welcome back to Giveaway CPA, and in this video we're going to be talking about finding those giveaways that fit within the internet marketing niche. Now we are back inside of RevResponse, and so what we're going to do is we want to go back to the offer catalog. And in the previous video, we did look at the term internet marketing, but now what we want to do is we want to find some offers that you can use in order to monetize traffic that you already have right now if you're an internet marketer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go first inside of the topic area. And then we're going to start looking inside of the marketing area. And when we do that, we're going to stay general. We're going to click the submit button. That's going to bring us back here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go through offer type by offer type. And the first offer type we want to look at are going to be webinars, podcasts, or more, because we know that internet marketers tend to like webinars. So let's go ahead and go to the submit button. When we do that, then we're just going to go and click our search. And once again, let's go ahead and do the webinars here. And that's going to bring us to a number of different webinars. Now, if you start to scroll through some of the results, you'll see there are only 22 results. So we've got a nice little segment that we can actually look through and pick the ones that we think are going to be viable. And here is one that, again, this is going to be probably something that internet marketers might be interested in. 96% of all emails campaigns fail. Don't let yours be one of them. Okay, maybe return path to optimization, but that might not necessarily be something that, again, internet marketers that you and I know would be interested in. Here is one that here's how they boosted their page views, 473%. Again, a webinar that might be of interest. And so the way to really do this in terms of monetizing your existing traffic is to start your search general and then to look through each particular area to find those things and publications that you're going to be the most comfortable promoting. So if I go back here to the top, I'm going to go back to offer type. I'm going to untick webinars. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for subscriptions, right? And typically these are free subscriptions. So you're not talking about having someone to actually pay for a subscription. You're talking about having them subscribe to get it actually sent to their home. Now, again, you want to kind of take a look at the particular publication to see if it's something that's going to be worth your time to promote. Let's click the submit button. And then let's go and let's click the search button. And you're going to see a number of different areas here that might be of interest to your audience. One website or one magazine you've probably seen before being promoted, Website Magazine, and the payout's going to be $1.50 for everyone that signs up. You're also going to see Sales and Marketing Management, again $1.50 for everyone that signs up, and then a Direct Response magazine. So again, these are all areas that you are going to be able to find people that are going to be interested in. Here is one that talks about blogs in the B2B space. Once again, this is going to be, and you'll actually see that this particular offer is one that converts pretty well, as does website. Well, it actually converts better than Website Magazine, but it does convert as well as some of the others here. And again, the stars really mean that they are converting extremely well. This isn't necessarily rated. They are rated by these offers that are particularly popular and those that actually convert. Now we're going to come back here to the white papers and reports, and we're going to take a look at them. And we're going to click search. You're going to see that the white papers are going to be probably the payouts are going to be higher, but I think you can tell that you're probably not necessarily looking for a particular business opportunity-based internet marketer. You're probably looking at an offline or an agency marketer. But again, if you have those people on your mailing list or you have contact with these people, you are going to be able to generate commissions with some of the titles. And again, white papers are good because white papers don't necessarily take up people's time in real time. So in other words, they don't have to be any place in order to benefit from the content. Now, every marketer understands that when they sign up for these documents, they're actually going to get called by someone. So they understand that they're going to get sold to. What your job is going to be is to find the people who are going to be interested in titles from Adobe, right? Titles and in particular, things like this mobile marketing survey. And even though this might be probably for more of a corporate manager, you're going to find a number of people in the offline space who are going to be interested in this mobile marketing survey. We're going to come back to the marketing area and we're going to go to the offer type, and this time we're going to look at ebooks. And then we're just going to click search. And you're going to see here that there are ebooks that are available. And once again, the selection is larger. Some of the payouts are higher, but you are going to want to make sure that you understand the titles. Right now, one question that often comes up is, can you apply to your own link? And the answer is no, but it is a good idea to go to some of these publications and get them. And typically, you can find some of these publications on the actual site, right? If you go and Google the title, you can actually get the report. And that's a great idea if you want to be able to promote it, is to actually get the publication. Now, after having taken a broad look at marketing, we're going to now take a look at another broad category that a number of internet marketers will probably or may be interested in, and that is sales. And we can actually take a look at that category also. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go and click the search button just as we did before. And the titles are going to be a little more sales oriented. They're probably going to be geared more toward the offline niche, but again, you are going to be able to find some titles in here that, again, are going to be interesting to your particular audience or the internet marketing niche. So by going through those topic areas, going through the marketing topic area, the sales topic area, and then in some cases, if you can't find anything, you may want to go through the retail topic area. Those are going to be the areas that are going to be closest to the areas that you will be able to use your existing traffic in order to monetize. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.